Hi everybody, it's FIBO Group, and you are watching to the Market Watch review. The recent equity rally has stalled. Asian Pacific equities posted mixed results, with Australia, South Korea, and Japan among the top bourses posting gains. Europe's Stoxx 600 has fallen for the second consecutive session. This is ending a 4-day bounce. The U.S. equity futures have not changed. The greenback is stable against all major currencies. The most resilient currencies are Canadian and Australian dollars, while the Swiss franc and yen are the losers. Gold is falling, according to the commodities. It is at $1,830 and close to a 2-week low. Another $10 drop could be possible if the 1,828 area is broken. It reached a peak of $1,870 last week. July WTI is now firmer at $116.30. After yesterday's reverse, there was no follow-through selling. Asian Pacific market. Japan's May manufacturing PMI for Japan was slightly revised to 53.3 from 53.2. For the third consecutive session, the dollar is on the rise against the Japanese yen. It would be the longest sustained advance since mid-April and lifts the dollar to near JPY 129.55. The economy of Australia grew 0.8% in Q1, slightly faster than was expected. Although the final manufacturing PMI was slightly higher at 55.7 in flash, it is still below 58.8 in April. Next week's meeting of the Reserve Bank of Australia will be held. The swaps market prices in a rate increase of 30 basis points. The Australian dollar trades within yesterday's range. Market of Europe. Even with the positive CPI surprises from Spain and Germany on Monday, yesterday's Eurozone average CPI jump of 8.1% to 7.5% still stunned many. Core rate at 3.8% was higher than expected, up from 3.5%. The EU has had to make many compromises in order to reduce its oil imports from Russia. Tomorrow, OPEC will release its production goals for July, and a further 430,000 barrel increase will likely be permitted. The euro trades quietly within yesterday's range. Sterling appears to be consolidating also after it recovered from the May 13 low near $1.2665. Market of America. The U.S. employment report for May will likely show that the labor market remains strong with 300,000 jobs expected. Many media outlets jumped on Fed Governor Walker's comments, in which he seemed to support 50 basis point moves. Fed funds futures strips are pricing in 175 to 200 basis point hikes yet to be delivered. Today is the Bank of Canada's meeting. Although economists are almost unanimous in their expectations of a move of 50 basis points, swaps traders only expect a 50% chance that there will be a move of 75 basis points. The Canadian dollar has not changed much ahead of the central banking meeting. The US dollar hovers around CAD 1.2650. That's all for me. Closely monitor the news background and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.